Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll share you this beautiful crochet earring. So for this one we need crochet hook size of 0.60 mm, cotton thread, means embroidery thread. Here I have used anchor thread, then scissor and earring material, and needle also I need. So we'll start. So this is the round one. For round one, at first we had made that magic ring. Now we'll make 3 chain, then we'll make 11 double crochet. Here one point, when you make double crochet, then on the starting of this double crochet you have to make 3 chain, means 3 chain length equal to 1 double crochet, like that. Okay, and similarly if you make half double crochet, then you have to make 2 chain, and if you are making one single crochet, then you have to make 1 chain, means starting with 1 chain. Okay friends, this is a small tips. Okay, now in this first round we will make total 12 double crochet, means if I add 3 chains as a 1 double crochet, then you will get 12 double crochet. So after double crochet we'll tie the thread tightly and we'll make slip stitch. Here you can see my double crochet is finished. So I am just tightening the thread and we'll make the slip stitch on the third chain. So here total we will get 12 stitches. Now okay, so this is the small round has done. This one we have made with black color. Now we'll start the round 2. For round 2 we'll make with that brown color. Brown means coffee color, like that, similar to coffee color. Okay, so at first we'll make the slip knot, then here also we'll make double crochet. So for that one we'll start with the 3 chain. So in this round we'll make 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. So for that one, on the first we'll make 3 chain, then on the same stitch we'll make 1 double crochet. Now from the next stitch we'll do 2 double crochet in 1 stitch, like that. We'll do the full round. So if you guys like my video, then please do like, share, and please do subscribe my channel to get the new notification. If you guys subscribe my channel, it will motivate me to make such a beautiful videos. Okay, so we'll finish that round. Okay, so here you can see I have made the full round with 2 double crochet and each stitch. Now we'll make the slip stitch on the third chain and we'll close the round. Now I will cut the thread. So that's round 2 is finished. Now we'll make the round 3. Okay, so for round 3 we need that white color. Actually this is not the white, this is off-white color. Off-white color thread I have used. So at first we'll make the slip knot. Okay, then we'll make first chain, 1 chain, then we'll make single crochet. Okay, so 1 chain I have done. Now on the next stitch we'll make 2 single crochet, means increase. Okay, so increase means 2 stitch in, means 2 single crochet in same stitch. On the third stitch we'll make 1 single crochet, then on the fourth stitch we'll make 2 single crochet, means increase. Like that we'll do this round. Fourth I have made that's 2 single crochet in one stitch. Okay, so like that we'll finish this one. So here you can see we'll finish this one. Now we'll make that slip stitch on the first chain and we'll close the round and we'll cut the extra thread. Okay, so now we'll start round 4. So for that one we have used this color thread. Okay, so at first we'll make the slip knot. Now here also we'll start with the slip stitch, sorry, single crochet. So one chain. Now next stitch we'll do the single crochet. So here we'll make 1 single crochet in each stitch. 1 single crochet I'm making. Okay, so here single crochet done. Now we'll make 4 chain. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4 chain. Then we'll make the slip stitch on the same stitch. So on the same stitch I have made the slip stitch. Now another slip stitch we'll make on the next stitch. Okay, as you can see I'm making one slip stitch on the next stitch. Now slip stitch done. Now we'll make 6 chain. 6 chain we'll make. Now again like the same way, after 6 chain we'll make slip stitch on the same stitch. Okay, so here you can see I have made the slip stitch on the same stitch. Okay, now on the next stitch again I am doing the slip stitch and we'll make 8 chain. Like that we'll Okay, let's see. We'll make at first 8 chain. So after 8 chain I have made the slip stitch on the same stitch. Now on the next stitch again we'll make one slip stitch. This slip stitch is done. Okay, now on the next stitch again we'll make the slip stitch, one slip stitch. Then we'll make 10 chain. 10 chain. Okay, so now again we'll make the slip stitch, and another slip stitch we'll make on the second stitch. Now okay, so slip stitch is done. Now on the next stitch again we'll make the slip stitch and we'll make 12 chain. Okay, after that 12 chain we'll make the slip stitch. So this is one part, if you see. Then on the next part means again we'll do the same way. Okay, so now we'll do the reverse, means we'll start from the 12th chain, then 8 sorry then 10, then 8 chain, then 6 chain, then 4 chain. Here I have made the 12th chain, and we'll do the slip stitch done. Now on the next stitch we'll do the same slip stitch. Okay, so okay, so we'll do the same way, that 10 8 6 4 chain. Okay, so as you can see I have made the all those that chains. Okay, so now we'll do the normal. We'll do one single crochet in one stitch, and rest of all the stitches we'll do the same one, that one single crochet in each stitch. So here you can see all the single crochet has done. Now we'll make the slip stitch to close the round. So our earring is completed. Okay, so now that extra thread I'll cut. Okay, now while you are crocheting, means any kind of knitting, it's very much important to do the finishing. Okay, as I'm doing the finishing, it's very mandatory. So all the extra thread you just cut, neatly cut, and this one you can see, you can fix it with the needle also, or you can fix it with the hook. Then extra thread you can glue it. Okay, so after that we'll do. Okay, now you can fix that earring with the pillar. Now here one more things I'm doing. Here I have taken this starch, means I have used this revive liquid with a few drop of water. It should be thicker, not too much watery. Okay, then this one you can apply it on the back side of your earring to it will after drying it will be hard. it will not sink. Okay, so for that one I have used this starch. Any kind of starch you can use. Now you can press it with the heavy things, okay, and let it dry. So here our earring is done. So if you guys like, then please do subscribe my channel. So have a good day.